Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can solve 100% disk usage problems in your Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to Windows plus R and then open Run. And after that, we will write services.msc. After that, enter OK. And by this, you will open the Services Center in your desktop. And now just click over any of this file and then click on S. And after that, all the S related system will be open. And now you have to come over this sysmain, click on it and click on right mouse button. And then come over this properties sections, and here you will get a startup type called automatic. You just have to make it disable and apply and OK. And after that, click it over another time and click it stop. Now it's disabled, you can see. And now what we do, we have to now write over C. And when we click on C, we will got options called Connected Device Platform Service. Click on it, and after that, click on your right mouse button and come over Properties. After coming on Properties, you have to come over this startup type and click on it and disable it. Click on Apply and OK. After that, you have to do the same as the first one. Click on the right mouse button and click stop. And by this connected device platform service will be disabled. And now close it. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So now we will try another way over here. Come up these start options and search for File Explorer. So here you can see, here is the File Explorer. And now click on File Explorer. And then come over this PC options. And here you can see, this is local C drive. So click on it and click on right mouse button and come over Properties. Come over this tool section. And now come over this Optimize section. Here you can see, Scheduled Optimize is on. You just need to click it off. So click on Change Setting, uncheck it, and click OK. And by this, you turned it off. And now close. Close it. And now what do we have to do? We have to come over the search options and search for. So now we have to come over this Task Manager. So now you have to come over these startup options. And here you can see, I will disable like Spotify that this file is not important. So that's why I'm disabling it. Disable. I'll make it enable. You just must be sure that your your Windows related file should be enabled. After you're completing your Task Manager task, just close it and restart your PC and your problem will be solved. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.